An international aerospace, space and defense company we work with has been undergoing a multi-year cross-functional change that will ultimately transform the way they operate. A core goal of the initiative is to bring efficiency and speed to the product lifecycle by integrating an industry-leading tool, Siemens Teamcenter, into their business. To maximize the integration of Teamcenter, they needed to update their business processes and collaborative approaches. The Teamcenter rollout is one of the largest strategic initiatives they've undertaken as an organization. And like any large-scale change, it requires extensive shifts in mindset and behaviors, resulting in training for thousands of employees worldwide. To meet the demands of a more complex engineering and advanced manufacturing environment, KnowledgeForce helped our client discover opportunities to shift from a traditional classroom-based approach to a more modern view of learning and development. We aligned our L&D instructional design process to their agile project management approach so that the content assets we developed supported their project management roadmap. We also introduced the concept of content chunking. By using content chunking, our client can repurpose and leverage the training assets in multiple ways to meet multiple needs. This L&D approach lets them maximize various technologies to train a diverse and dispersed workforce. The complexity of the changes they're implementing means the L&D solutions must be scalable and sustainable. Over the years, we've fine-tuned the design and development process to include content assets such as training roadmaps, scripted presentations, virtual instructor-led workshops, e-learning courses, hands-on practice activities, how-to videos, go-live kits, step-by-step process guides, standardized documentation, and learning aids. Recognizing sustained behavior change requires thinking in new ways. KnowledgeForce worked closely with their organizational change team to weave important mindset messaging into the L&D solutions, repeatedly highlighting reasons and advantages for the change. We also collaborated with internal teams to deploy a dedicated collaboration page where performance support materials are available 24/7 so everyone has access in the moment to finding answers they need to do their jobs successfully.